life in style. Plus, can you look like you've had a facelift just by changing your diet for 3 days? Yes, and Kamora's got Dr. Nicholas Perricone, author of The Perricone Promise, here to tell you how it's done. From the heart of New York City, it's Life in Style.
Something that might lift your spirits today, because you know I always like to talk about tightening and lifting. We're always telling you about the latest techniques for looking younger without going under the knife, and I have something really great today. It's all the rage, and everyone's doing it, all the Hollywood stars, all the who's who, where's where. What if I told you that you could look like you had had a facelift just by changing your diet, weight, for only 3 days?
I'd sign up.
I do it. I would sign up again and again and again.
Exactly.
And would you believe that you could look years younger in 20 minutes just by putting a special cream on your face? It is true.
I don't believe it.
It is true, and Dr. Nicholas Perricone is here to tell us all about it. Now, his book, The Perricone Promise, gives you an amazing 28-day program for looking 10 years younger. That starts by changing what we eat. Today, he's going to give us all the Jumpstart 3-day diet that he guarantees will make a huge difference, and he's going to put his special anti-aging cream on 3 of you lucky audience members today to turn back your clock in 20 minutes.
Next, Life and Style. Later, can you look 10 years younger in 3 days without plastic surgery? Yes, thanks to the Perricone Promise. And Kamora's got the inside story on this anti-aging diet miracle. Next, can you turn back the clock just by changing your diet for 3 days or putting a special cream on your face for 20 minutes? Yes, and Kamora's got the author of The Perricone Promise here to tell you how.
What would you think if I told you that you could look like you had a facelift just by changing your diet for only 3 days? Better yet, what if I told you that you could look 10 years younger just by applying a cream for 20 minutes? Well, to tell us how we can get these amazing results is the author of The Perricone Promise, Dr. Nicholas Perricone. Welcome. How are you?
Very well.
Now, Doctor, this is something that we hear a lot, the Perricone Promise. What exactly is the Perricone Promise?
The promise is I'm going to teach you some basics today that if you follow, and it's very simple, we can make you look 10 years younger in 28 days and considerably younger in 3 days.
10 years younger? Okay, I'm ready. Now, you say you can jumpstart the program and get great results in just 3 days. That's the first thing we're going to focus on, right? Now, you brought a before and after picture of a patient of yours that completed the 3-day program. Let's take a look. Is that after 3 days?
That's 3 days, yes.
Did you retouch that picture?
I didn't touch it.
Well, I'm signed up. There's the before and there's the after. Again. Wow. Now tell me what this diet consists of.
The 3-day Jumpstart diet is a little bit narrow. You can be eating a lot of the same things every day, but it's just 3 days. When you finish the 3-day Jumpstart, you go to the 28-day program, and it's very kind of diverse. So this is it. We start off breakfast. Omelet, fresh fruits, oatmeal, green tea. Green tea is amazing. If you stop coffee, do green tea, do nothing else differently, and if you need to, you can lose 10 pounds in 6 weeks just by doing that.
And what's in this omelet?
This is just a plain omelet, egg yolks and whites. Notice the bright colors here. Fruits are natural anti-inflammatories, and inflammation, invisible inflammation, is what causes us to age. So we're trying to approach this by reducing inflammation. So this is great, perfect.
And
remember,
not invisible inflammation is what causes us to be fat.
okay.
All righty.
Lunch. Salmon.
Lunch.
Salmon, the magic food. High in protein, essential fatty acids, natural anti-inflammatories, and it has astaxanthin, an antioxidant that is 400 times stronger than C and E combined and brings inflammation down rapidly. With this, bright colors again, lots of antioxidants.
But now, do people have to eat the whole quantity?
Well, you know, quantities differ depending on your needs. If you don't need, you know, if you're small, you're not exercising, you need less.
Okay.
All right, olive oil, great stuff. You want to use a lot of olive, forget the fat, okay? Fats are good for us. You need fat to burn fat, you need fat for beautiful skin. Olive oil has antioxidants, we need to put that on our salad.
That's for the salad
And
with
I
the
use
salmon.
lemons
and a
instead of
little
vinegar because there's vitamin C, more antioxidants.
Now, can we snack in between?
Snacks are great. Have them right here.
Okay.
And I want you to snack in between. I don't want you to get hungry. So we have sliced turkey as an alternative, nuts. You have to hold up 3 fingers for every meal and snack. Do I have protein here? Do I have essential fats?
Okay.
And do I have good carbohydrates in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables? So we meet all
So
the
where's the good carbohydrate here? The apple?
Yes, the apples here. Now, we could also just have yogurt. We can take this pomegranate extract. Pomegranate's rich in antioxidants. Put that in that plain yogurt. It tastes like a strawberry smoothie.
And how much of this would you put?
I put 3 squirts.
Oh, just little squirts. Because I
squirts.
drink the pom juice, but this is the concentrate.
Very
so that's
concentrated,
good.
right.
We like strawberry smoothies. Okay.
Dinner.
Now, down here we have dinner, and you're right, because it looks like lunch.
We're repeating the salmon. Here it is. Salmon, essential fats, protein, lentils, great source of carbohydrates, colors again, colorful fruits, natural anti-inflammatories. And you notice there's water everywhere. You have to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Otherwise, we gain weight and we can actually have anxiety.
Okay, now what's the next step? That's a lot of water, a lot of health. I'm going to try.
Second tier of the program, and it's not as important as the first tier, but nutritional supplements. These supplements have anti-inflammatory activity, and they're in packets because there's 8 key substances that help you metabolize body fat and reduce inflammation. So we can do that as a second tier. So food, supplements, and then the most fun is the third tier, which are the topical anti-inflammatories.
This is the topical inflammatory.
Now this is a cleanser. Cleanse your face first. Now this is Amine Complex Facelift.
Fabulous. Really amazing. Thank you so much. The Perricone Promise is on bookshelves now. And